Hello my friends, welcome back to this channel. I'm so glad that you're here with me and we're able to learn a little bit more every single day, right? Today, I have to go to Home Depot and to Marshall's from Humacao, Puerto Rico. I am looking forward to buying some substrate and some pots, and we'll see what else I can find that I need. I usually make a list of the things that I need, but you never know. So we'll see what kind of plants they have available. So accompany me to this video. Let's get going. Just want to show you these beautiful planters and pots that I saw here at Marshall's. Some were in liquidation and some were not, but this one was beautiful. This one was only $8, I believe from $12.99. And yeah, there was just so many. Look at this beautiful butterfly one. Oh wow, it was beautiful, beautiful. Then this light green one was really, really nice also. I was very tempted to get that one. Let me see which other ones. There was just so many of them. Look at this one. This one is made in Vietnam, but I just loved it. I believe this was $7.99. And this one was really pretty also. Now for springtime, they bring out all these planters. They're just so beautiful. This one is a mushroom one design. I believe this one was $12.99 or $14.99. This one was beautiful. Oh, for succulents, it's just a beautiful planter. I think this was a llama. This one's $14.99. The prices are really good. They're not that bad. This checkered one was really cute too. This one was a starfish one. Very nice. Very, very beautiful. I bought several of these. Took advantage of the large variety. Okay, the first plant that really caught my eye was this Hoya. It was very nice and full. It was a royal flush wax plant is another name of saying Hoya. And this particular one was a Laconosa at $19.98, which was a very good price. And look how full it is. It has, this plant will flower very frequently, but I already had it. So I had to put it back. Now the desert roses were really, really nice. Some more simple ones and some were double ones, like this one. This one is just beautiful color. The price was good at $17.98. And my last video on this channel was from Adeniums, which I had 3. I actually had several other ones, but I didn't have these colors. These flowers were just really, really pretty. The price was not that bad either. See how the root or the calyx is thicker on the bottom when there's seeds that come out from seeds. So yeah, it's nice. It's better just to get them there. And then we went into the Euphorbias and the Cacti. I do have several of those, and the price was $29.98. The Cacti, there were 3 or 4 of them in each pot. The one in the back is really pretty, the blue one. Very nice at $29.98. Then the irises, Yeah, the music was a little too loud, so I'm doing the voiceover anyways. The iris, this one's a purple one, and I also have the yellow one, and they're really pretty. They come out and they don't last very long, but so. And then this one, the orbifolia, the calathea orbifolia was the only one that was there. It was this guest that was taking all of them in front of me. It was like, oh man, he's taking all the good ones. So I was just able to film it. But most of these I had already had. This peperomia was very pretty. Also, looks more like a watermelon peperomia, but a different shape. It's just a little bit longer than the one that I had before. Then the orchids were really pretty. They had the small ones. They had the Phalaenopsis orchids at $13.98 for the small ones. Look at this beautiful flower. It's just so beautiful. The combination of the colors and the designs. Remember that the Phalaenopsis are not very, they don't really like the direct sun, and they like to be somewhat moist. In humidity. This one was $24.90, and now we're going into the larger ones. And if you put them on plants that are under trees and so forth, they really are really beautiful, and they last a long time. Now this one I think is just so beautiful. This one is a Pilea, Moon Valley Pilea. Look at the texture of the leaf at $5.98. Not bad at all. I still haven't bought this one. Eventually I'll get it. Now this one was a new one. I had never seen this one before. And it's the Monstera stanleyana alba variegata. I thought it was the only one there, and I almost got it, but it was either that or the substrate, and I needed the substrate a little bit more. So I guess eventually I'll get this one if I see it in Home Depot. But I'm sure I'll see it from now on. So. But I have this one plain, the classic one, the green one. Okay, I'm going to show you my haul that I had bought at Home Depot and at Marshall. The only thing that I got in Home Depot was the substrate for the airway mix, which I usually get this one, which is the Better Growth Phalaenopsis Orchid potting mix. And it basically has perlite, chunky perlite. It has charcoal, it has fir bark, and chunky peat. So yeah, this one I really like for my mixture. Besides the other additives that I do put in there, like tree fern fiber, and sometimes I put vermiculite, and I'll see what else. The fertilizer also, and I also put earthworm castings. So it's a big mixture, it's a big recipe. If you ever need it, I already had the recipe. But yeah, I really like it. So yeah, I got this at Home Depot, and I believe it was 8 with 10. I don't remember exactly, but that's what I got there. Okay, then I went to Marshall's, and I got 5 pots. So this is the first one. Beautiful butterflies. Oh, I love them. Isn't that beautiful? A neutral color, but with the design of butterflies. Oh, it's just beautiful. When I saw it, it was like, oh yeah, that's for me. And they did have some more. And this one I got on special from $14 to $8. And this is more like a 6-inch diameter. So yeah, very pretty. And I got the second one, is this one here. This one was $12 just, and I bought it for $7.99. It's also a 6-inch. This is a cash pot. No drainage. Beautiful. I don't think I have this design at all, not even anything that looks like it. So yeah, I wanted something different, but still with neutral colors. So I do like color, don't get me wrong, I do like color, but sometimes I do prefer something neutral, just so it won't take from the beauty of the plant. Okay, now this one is a little bit larger. This one is, I think, a 7 or an 8-inch pot. This is made out of clay, and I did like the design. And the only thing, it was on special, also from $14 to $8. It had a little chip right there. But I'm gonna see if I can color it and take care of that. But other than that, I really loved it, and it was the only one that was there with this design. And I said, you know what, I'm gonna fix it, and I'm gonna put it nice and pretty. So I really, really like this one. It's a very matte color, but yeah, I like it. Okay, and this other one I got from, it was 11, and I bought it for $7.99. And this one is cement, and this one's from Vietnam. But yeah, I really like the color. Isn't that beautiful? Really, really pretty. And the other one, the last one that I have, is a neutral color pot, but this one is with flowers. So it has to be some kind of leafy foliage plant. It doesn't really have flowers, that way you can have a balance. So we'll see. But I do get these larger pots because I do a lot of transplanting, and if the plant gets larger, I do require larger plant pots. So yeah, I'm super happy. So I'm glad, I hope that you have enjoyed the little outing that we had to Home Depot and Marshall's. And yeah, right now being spring, it's time to go get your pots. And yeah, as you can see, Marshall did have some more. I didn't go into the Home Depot part too long because I didn't have much time. Okay, I did return back to Marshall. I was passing by with my husband, and I said, well, let me just go in and see what they have. And I saw this pot is a smaller one. I think it's like a 4-inch diameter. It was good price. I said, you know what, this is really nice. And this one also, this one's like a 6 diameter. I thought they were both very, very pretty. And this one I like because it has a plastic hole stopper, and I can make it into a regular planter or just a cash pot. And yeah, I was really happy. Hope you liked the plants that are available here in Puerto Rico, and the pots, and this little outing, right? That I love going out and just relaxing my mind. And yeah, I'm so happy with the pots that I did get. Actually, I like putting plain plants on really beautiful or pretty pots. It just brings it out. It brings out the beauty of the simple plant too. And I do have a lot of classic green ones, unless you can see behind me. So I really like having really nice pots, and that's just me. I like color. So I'm so glad that you were able to accompany me. And from Puerto Rico, I'm just going to be sending you the blessings to you, to your family, to your pets, and to your plants. So have a beautiful day, and we'll see you until the next video. Bye.